So I'm doing this video to guide you on how you can register an account with FTX Exchange. Okay, so currently I'm already on the home page. This is the registration page, and before then, if you look closely, you will see something that has my name there. You can see referral code Mr. Solution. Okay, that's what it means, is that if you're using my referral code to register this, you'll be having a 5% off your fees, or you'll be having 5% reduced from your trading fee. So anytime you're conducting any trade, 5% will be paying less 5% of whatever it is you're supposed to pay. That is the essence of using my registration code. That's what the essence of using my referral code for that. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's go ahead. Okay, now I'm gonna put my email, and maybe let me just choose this email, calling solution. Okay, calling solution. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm choosing this Gmail now, this mail address, and then I will go right ahead and choose a password. Okay, let me just choose Collins as my password. And please, there are some conditions that must be met before a password can be recognized or before a password can be chosen, and these are the 4 conditions. One is that it must be at least 8 characters long. The second one is that it must have at least 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase character. The third one is that it must contain at least 1 number, that's from 0 to 9, and then finally it must contain at least 1 special character. Okay, these are the various special characters. Okay, so you can just choose either 1 or 2 of the different special characters there. Okay, so just ensure that any password of your choice meets these conditions, meets these 4 criteria given out here. Make sure they meet it. Okay, so after that, after you must have chosen your mail, then choose your password, go right ahead and register. Okay, so let's continue. And this remember, we must ensure that any password we are choosing meet these different 4 criteria given here. Okay, we will ensure that they meet these 4 criteria given them. Any password we are choosing, we should ensure that it meets these 4 criteria given. Okay, so let's proceed, and then I will just go right ahead and choose the password of my choice, and then I will, after choosing it, I will definitely log in. So I will pause this video to continue when I'm already logged in. Okay, so let me just pause it, and then I will continue immediately. I've already signed in and then chosen my password. Okay, and then after that, please ensure that you agree to the FTS terms. Okay, ensure you agree to that, then go right ahead and click on verify. Okay, click on verify. Let me tap on it once more. Okay, click on verify, just to make sure that you are not a robot. Okay, then drag this thing, make sure it fits into this empty space, perfectly fits into the empty space. Okay, that's to fit the puzzle. Okay, so once that is done, you can see here I am not, they've not allowed me to sign it. Because why? Because my password is not okay. Look at what they wrote here. They said improve password. Okay, so sometimes you might want to log in, you might want to sign up, and you get this kind of thing. When you get it, just know that it is because your password is not complete or does not meet the 4 conditions. Okay, so if after these things and then my password meets the various conditions, you see that what we see something like a green button that will tell us to sign up. But let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, since this is just for explanation purpose, I'm not using the account for anything, it's just for explanation. Okay, so let me choose this as my password. Okay, first should be a capital letter. Okay, okay, all right, I've chosen that. Then improve password. Okay, add another word or 2. Okay, uncommon words are better. Okay, let me okay, that's it. You see, once my password meets different 4 criteria given, I will go right ahead and click on sign up. You can see that improved password has disappeared. Okay, so I'll go right ahead and sign up. You can see that the improved password that we were shown earlier has disappeared. So I click on sign up, and then immediately I'll be signed into the exchange. Okay, once I do that, they will sign me up, and then I will have access to this exchange. And please, if you've not signed up with FTX Exchange, if you don't have an account, I'm going to be leaving my registration link or my referral link at the description section of the video, so kindly register an account there. And another good thing too is that, you know, we are having a white background. If you're not okay with this, you can as well change it to a theme. You can as well change it to, let's say, change it to a dark theme. Okay, you can change the theme to dark. Okay, you see it has automatically changed. You can change it to black as well. Okay, so you do that at this upper section. Okay, you do that at this upper section. This is where you do that. You do everything here. Okay, you do it here. This thing that looks like moon, this moon sign, that's where you do the different character changes and all that. Okay, you do that here. And then, okay, that's where you do that. And then if you want to get access to the app, maybe you want to download the app, this place leads you to where you will download the app straight up. Okay, you go right ahead and check out this place. Check out here. This is it, this place. Okay, this thing that looks like a mobile phone, that is where you can get the app. Okay, so let's check it out together to see it. Okay, see, you have options: Apple Store, Google Play, Android app. Okay, so whichever one it is you want, you can just go. If you are using an iPhone, you can get it on Apple Store, Google Play, and that's for Android users. And also you can get the Android APK. Okay, so that's that. Then you want to change your language, you want to change your preferred language. There is also an option for that. Look at it here. At this point, look at this is where you can change it. This thing that has this symbol. Okay, you change it here. This is where you can change it. Okay, so let's just tap on it and see what it will bring out for us. Okay, you see the different languages. Okay, so officially we speak English here, so the best thing is just for us to select English, and then we'll go right ahead and sign up, and then we can start navigating the app. We can start navigating the website and all that. Okay, so this is just to teach us how to navigate through the registration section of the FTX exchange. Okay, so if you still want to see more things, you can just tap on this drop down. Okay, you see the different coins that are traded here. Okay, you can see the different coins that are traded here. Okay, you can see all of them. This is a list of them. Okay, we still talk about these ones in our subsequent episodes. Okay, and I will see you soon.